Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. Hope everybody's fine. Hope everybody's okay. So in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we have another awesome delicious recipe for you guys. We have some oven jerk chicken wings. Over here we have 2 kilo of chicken wings. We're gonna clean them up in a minute. We have half a lemon here we're gonna use to wash the chicken wings. So this is all the seasoning we're gonna use to make the jerk. Over here guys, we have 1 stalk of spring onion. We have 5 cloves of garlic. We have a piece of ginger we already cut up already. We have 1 medium-sized white onion. We have 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. We have some pimento allspice. We have a half a teaspoon of salt. We have a tablespoon of all-purpose season. We have a teaspoon of dry thyme. We have a teaspoon of dry parsley. We have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we have 2 tablespoons of jerk season. We're gonna use some browning over here, some meat coloring. So in Selvin Kitchen guys, awesome delicious recipe, oven jerk chicken wings. What we're gonna do guys, we're gonna squeeze some lemon into these chicken wings because you know that we're gonna wash these chicken wings properly. So we'll squeeze some lemon in, and then after we're gonna add some water to it. So we're gonna wash these chicken wings because these chicken wings have some little yellow spot here, and the chickens are yellow. I want to get all of that off. I don't really like that when I'm looking for chicken wings. I just take my time and clean up my chicken wings. So now I'm just gonna add some water in. It's gonna use the lemon just to wash it like that, just to get off any unwanted skin on it. So get off this yellow thing on the chicken wings. Just scrub it like that, and we get them all off. Scrub it like that, my people. The back of the chicken wings and the side of the chicken wings, to get them all off like that. If you use the skin of the lemon or the skin of the lime, if you cannot get lemon, instead you can use the lime. So what we're doing now, my people, we're just gonna rinse off the chicken because we don't already wash the chicken with some lemon. So we're just gonna rinse it off with some cold water. We just put our hand in, then we just try and wash this chicken wings properly before we're gonna season up it. So we're gonna put our seasoning in our blender to make our jerk seasoning. So I'm gonna wash them, rinse them off with some fresh cold water, and then I'm gonna give them a second rinse. Yes guys, so this is the blender we're gonna use to blend up all of the seasoning for the jerk chicken wings. So what we're doing first, putting in first guys, is the ginger, garlic, onion, spring onion, chili flakes, dry thyme, dry parsley, all-purpose season, salt, jerk seasoning, olive oil, so we're gonna add in some browning. You don't want to add in too much browning guys. So what we're gonna do now guys, we're gonna blend all of this season to get on that wings, to put that wings in the oven. This season gonna be nice on that wings guys. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna blend up our season. So this is the season, guys. We already finished blend them up. Let me show you guys inside of it. Wow, this is our jerk season. So you guys can follow this step and make your jerk season at home. So what we're gonna do now, my lovely people, we're gonna add some of this jerk season and these chicken wings. We're gonna get a spoon. We're gonna take out some of this jerk season and add all over that chicken wings. Because make sure you put on the gloves, guys, because the jerk season already have in pepper, and I put some chili flakes in it. And then you use no scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want it too hot. But normally we put in scotch bonnet pepper, but you can do it optional. But I put in some chili flakes in it today instead of scotch bonnet pepper. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna mix in all of this season with these chicken wings to leave it to marinate. Just add in some of these jerk seasons for the time being. You don't want to add in too much. There's not a lot of chicken wings. Oh my god, you can smell that onion. It's burning my eye already. With that pimento allspice, with that ginger. Wow, the flavor in this, guys. Oh my word, my eyes is dripping water already. Gonna leave that to marinate. Yes, guys, so this is all ready now, guys. This is all ready. This has been marinated for the last 20 minutes. So this is all ready, guys. Look at that. Lovely, nice chicken wings. So now we're just gonna put them in the oven. And that, my beautiful people. So alright, guys, so this is the tray we're gonna put the chicken wings on. What I'm gonna do now, just gonna add a little bit of olive oil on it. And then I'm just gonna use a brush like that just to grease up the bottom of the tray, because I don't want the chicken to stuck. Sometimes you're gonna get them stuck same way. Kind of say it's a non-stick, but normally you're gonna get some of them stuck on the bottom. So yes, my beautiful people, what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add the chicken wings on the tray right here. So my oven, it's been pre-warm. So make a little bit of space there. Just gonna add the wings them right on that tray here. I'm gonna put them in the oven. A beautiful recipe, you guys. If you don't have a backyard or you wanna do some jerk, you can do a oven jerk chicken, or oven jerk chicken wings, or anything you want to oven jerk, guys. You guys can do it as long as you have a oven. Okay, so you don't have to have a backyard if you want to eat some jerk. You can just follow this recipe step by step. And there you go, my beautiful people. So now we're just gonna add them there. A little bit of space there. So pack them up there, guys. A lot of chicken wings. Then after, I'm just gonna stuff them in that oven there, guys. Beautiful. Look at that, my beautiful people. Look at that there, guys. Nicely. So what I do now, guys, a little bit of jerk we're leaving. I'm just gonna get a brush and just put over the chicken wings like that. And before we add them into the oven, just finish a little bit of jerk we're leaving this basin here. And then they're just gonna spray some olive oil on them like that, guys. Yes, guys, so my oven it been pre-warm 200 degrees. So now what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add them in the oven right now. Hi guys, so I'm gonna make some sauce now to put on the jerk chicken wings, the oven jerk chicken wings. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in some ketchup. Gonna add in around 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Gonna add in around a tablespoon of honey. Gonna add in around a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And we did have a little bit of jerk seasoning left over in the basin, so we'll just add some water to that. So we're gonna mix in all of that honey with that ketchup, with that oyster sauce, with that jerk season. We want everything. We're gonna give it around 5 minutes on the stove. Yes guys, so in the oven for the last 25 minutes. I'm just gonna check on these wings. Oh my days, look at that, my beautiful people. Look at that, guys. Oven jerk chicken wings, guys. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna flip them over on the next side. And then I'm gonna stuck them back in the oven. Look at that, my beautiful people. You see it? When I had the olive oil and the tray first, then don't really stuck on the tray. So just give them a nice turn over like that. Turn them over on the next side. Then we're gonna add some sauce on it. Let that sauce cook down for around 5 minutes. And then we're gonna add that sauce on it. Beautiful. Yes, my beautiful people. So this is coming on nicely. Just on it for the last 2 minutes, guys. So this now, I'm gonna take out the chicken wings and another 5 minutes. Just gonna use a brush to coat the chicken wings with it, and I'm gonna add it back in it. Yes guys, so now we're just gonna take it out of the oven. I'm just gonna add some sauce on it, and then I'm gonna add it back in the oven. Ooh, nice and hot, guys. And that's beautiful, nice jerk, oven jerk chicken wings, guys. What we're doing now, guys, this is the sauce what we make to put on the wings. So I just change my brush. We're just gonna spread it all over the wings. This is a better brush. Wow, look at that, guys. We're just gonna spread it all over. We're gonna give it another 5 minutes on that side, and then we're gonna take it out. Then we're gonna put another 5 minutes on the next side, and then it's all ready. We'll just spread it like that all over. So we're just gonna put them back in the oven now, guys. We're just gonna put them back in the oven for around 5 minutes. Look at that, my people. Yes, guys, I just take it out of the oven again, guys. So now I'm just gonna put it in the oven for another 5 minutes. But before I do, I'm just gonna add some of this jerk sauce on it. Keep it. Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished, guys. This is the oven jerk chicken wings, guys. As I said before, you guys don't have to go outside if you want to eat some jerk. You can do it in your oven. So please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys, and please share the video with your friends and family. Anybody want to be a patron, I'm gonna drop the link. You can sign up to be a patron. Please check out my rest of my videos them on my page. I have over 290 recipe there. You guys can check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen. Stay safe, my beautiful people. Wow, good. Lot of love from Selvin Kitchen.